So the next year ship that I'm gonna get, kind of the same way.
Colorado? No, it's built like New Mexico. It's an all or nothing style. It's where you either have a shit ton of armor over your citadel or you don't have nothing. And if they hit you like below your turrets, there's not that much armor there. It hurts. It's not a brawler like New Mexico is. It's more of a step back around 10, 15 kilometers and use your range to bomb them.
Oh, okay.
And even then, it sucks until you get it upgraded, just so you know. That ship pisses me off because the dispersion rates are shit on it.
So where's the intake for my engines?
For like the air?
Yeah.
It's these little freaking weird looking little bills on the back here in front of your front turrets. I mean, in front of your back turrets.
Oh, okay.
You got the AO down there just kind of sitting still, bro. And for some reason, it alerted HE. Okay. Thank you. That's what I wanted. To blast an AO that's full broadside with HE.
That's my shot. Fuck.
Careful, there is a Fubuki present. And I'm pretty sure it's on this side. Yep, there it is. Yeah, it's 15-kilometer torpedoes, dude.
This New Mexico's AFK, it looks like.
My guns ain't hitting. Don't worry about the New Mexico. Go for the ship that's actually functional. Oh god damn, I nailed that turbine.
I saw that.
That wasn't even a citadel, dude. I know there's a boogie over there. Citadel to North Carolina.
Enemy heavily damaged.
The ship is on fire.
Oh, I'm getting focused by the team. They don't like me.
Hi, Nuremberg. How do you like the Citadel?
Take him out, bro.
Torpedo support.
Fuck. Oh shit, thank God they ran out. That was very scary. How you doing there, Nick? I'm firing
Alright.
on the North Carolina, by the way.
Trying to shoot the Ioba.
He's almost stopped. He's going backwards now. No, he's completely fucking stopped. I think he went FK.
That's fine by me. I'm gonna open fire on him. Ooh.
Is that you?
That big hit was me. Citadel,
Me
13,
too.
and critical hit for 10,000.
Going for the turbines next. Okay, time to snuff out some of these cruisers over here, bro.
Working on it. Whatever, that hit him and didn't do anything. Okay, hit Ioba for Citadel.
Nice. You want me to finish him, or do you want to?
I'm reloading. I was full salvo.
Oh, turbines just hit me pretty hard. I'm gonna have to keep down. It was yours, dude.
Yep.
Got it.
Damn it.
Sorry. Were you getting ready to fire?
My shots were already on the way down. 3 Citadels, 27 hits, 59,000 damage.
I'm up. Well, I'm eating right now too, dude.
What? I'm not eating at all.